In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can extend your battery life if you are using an Android. So you can see here, I'm at my battery section at my phone settings. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. In this video, I'll show you guys two different ways to do this. So the first way is the traditional way we all know. That's by turning on your battery saver. So it's very much simple. You just come on here and then you turn on your battery saver here. You can see battery saver here. So to do this, just move to your phone settings, move to your battery, and then you turn on your battery saver. Sometimes you can even find it at the notification of your mobile phone. But then if you don't find it there, you can also come here to your battery settings and you find it here. And the second one is you restrict background apps. So there are apps that are going to use your battery whilst you are not using them, whilst they are idle, and even if your phone is there. So to do this, move to your settings like this. I have a video on that, but then I'm covering it in this video. So move to your settings, move to your battery here, and you can see background apps. So I've restricted 5 apps so far. So launch it like this, and then try to restrict every app. So if you are not using the app, it's not going to take, or it's not going to run at the background on your mobile phone. So now here, you just choose all of them. You can see I have CapCuts and the rest. So just choose all of them and disable all of them so they don't run in your phone's background. So if you can't find your background restrictions at your phone settings, come here, just move to your phone settings like this, and then you search background restrictions. I think that's more faster and easier. So when you come here, just search background like this. Every mobile phone has a search button and the settings. So search background, you're going to see background restrictions, choose that and then turn that all off. So that's it on how you can extend your phone's battery life. In this video, I talked about two things. That's using the traditional way, turning on your battery saver, and also restricting background apps. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.